Now, let's look at question 1 here. Question 1 is 6 over 7 times 2 over 9. So we know 6 is 3 times 2, and 9 is 3 times 3. So then we may get some consolation. There is a 3 downstairs, there is a 3 upstairs. So then you can cancel that. Since we already have a 6 split into 2 times 3, we may cross out that. So is the case for 9 right here. So we may cross out that. Then you see these three cancel each other. So upstairs you have a 2 times 2 left, then which is 4. Downstairs you have a 7 times 3, so that's 21. So what's the correct answer? That's right here. First one. Okay, now let's look at the question 2 here. Question 2, we have a 2 and 1/2 times 3 and 5 over 6. To do this, remember, this is 4 1/2. 4 1/2 means what? Means that. And then times 3 and 5 over 6 means 3 plus 5 over 6. Let me also write here y. So you may write 4 like that. Okay. The reason I want to do is because how to add this 4 and 1/2. 4 times 1 is 4, and 1 is 2 over 2. Okay. So the reason we do that is we make the denominator be 2. Then you only do is 4 times 2, which gives you 8. 8, and then over 2 plus 1/2. And here, the same thing, you want to do 3 times 1, and 1 is 6 over 6. Okay, so you want to do is 3 times 6 gives you 18 over 6, and then 5 over 6. But actually, you know, that's what? That's 1 plus 8 plus 1 over 2 for the first one. Second one is 18 over 5 times 6. Okay. So you then have a 9 upstairs. Downstairs is 2. And here you have a upstairs is 23. Downstairs is 6. Okay. So then you will have, let me change the color back. You have here again is 2 times 3. Here is 3 times 3. So if you do that, And you should have a 3 here, 3 here, they cancel each other. Then upstairs, what's left? Upstairs is 3 times 23, which gives you 69. Downstairs, 2 times 2, which gives you 4. So what's the answer? Oh, you see right here, we do not have the answer because here is improper one. For the improper one, you want to do is 69 divided by 4. And then here, you have a 1 over here, 4 over here, and 29. Now, for 29, you want to multiply by which number? 7. So 4 times 7 is 28. And then remainder is 1. Then you change this one will be 17. And then 17 and 1 over 4. That will be this one right here. 17 and 1 over 4. That was question 2. Question 3. Let me do extended page. Question 3. Question 3, you have a 7 over 18 divided by 9 over 16. When you do the division, you actually do the multiplication by flipping numerator and the denominator of the divisor. Okay, so change the division to multiplication by flipping the numerator and the denominator. To ask me why, I have a separate lectures. You may watch that. So that's the way we do division for fraction. Okay, so then what's the answer? And let me change the color to red. Okay, so here we have a 16 upstairs, which is 2 times 8. Downstairs, you have 18, which is 2 times 9. Okay, now what can be cancelled? 2 upstairs, 2 downstairs. Okay, and then 7, you cannot separate that. This 9, you can separate 3 times 3, but it's not necessary. So you have a 2 cancelled. Then you should have an upstairs 7 times 8, 56. Downstairs 9 times 9, 81. Which one is that? You see, 56 or 81 is the last one. So apparently, the last one is your choice. Now, let's look at question 4. So move to 4. 4 is we want to write the answer in lowest term. Again, here we have 407 divided by 20. Remember, 20 is what? 20 is 20 divided by 1. Everyone agrees. And then you flip that. 4 over 7 times 1 over 20. 1 over 20 is separated to 4 times 5. And then you see this 4 cancel this 4 nicely. Then what's left? What's left upstairs? Just 1. Downstairs, 4 and 4 canceled. 5 times 7 left. So 1 over 35. That's the one right here. Second choice. Now, question 5. We do question 5 here as well. Question 5, we want to write the fraction as an equivalent fraction with the given denominator. Okay. So, given denominator is 55, and we know 7 over 11. And then everyone agrees that 7 over 11 is 7 over 11 times 1. And then what can we make denominator 55? Apparently both numerator and denominator is 5. So we then have a 5 times 11, 55. 5 times 7 is 35. So, which one? 35 over 55. To keep video sleep short, I'll see you next time.